Hello and welcome to Crafty Learns Programming in Java. Today we got a little project I need doing. This is for another project on for the channel. So I need a program, as you see here, to create a randomly generated sum based on some criteria that we need to input. So what I want, for example, we're going to start with a basic thing, which is to create a random two-digit sum, but we're going to trying to make it extendable, so it's not fixed. So we want to make a three-digit sum, we can, and so forth. So we're going to do this. We're going to we've created a class called random number generator. So we need well, first of all, we need to we have to create the random object equals new random, and we close it with the brackets and control space to import it. There we go, and that's that done. Next we need to make a method to create a random number, simple as that, and it's going to be one of these return methods. I think it's what will be public int and the what gen number, gen int number, maybe better. Oops, excuse me. So you have to return something, and we want rand next int, and we want yes, this is what we want. We need a variable, int variable, not int variable, int for example, we need to know the size of the number. For example, if it's 3 digits, so that means 100, 4 digits 1,000, 5 digits 10,000, blah 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 blah. So we're gonna say number of digits. Okay, and I'm gonna put that in here as well. I'm going to pass it through to here, and then number of number of digits. I never know if you have to and where is it? Number of digits. And just to make sure, this number of digits equals number of digits. That just connects the two together, and we're returning that. So there we go. That helps us generate a number. Now we have to generate. What do we have to generate? Well, let's just call it, let's make a new method, public void random num generator. So this is our main method. We might make it a return, I don't know. It just depends. I'm not too sure yet. We're just sort of, having a look, see what we can do. So what do we need for this? So we've got a little thing to help us generate around. So we need a little placeholder numbers. Okay, and we need to know how many how many numbers. So let's just name it as is, how many numbers, but we'll spell it correctly, and we'll put the proper semicolon there. So I'll just show you why I'm doing this. So we want to randomly generate two numbers. So int, numbers equals new int and let's just close that. We want to put in here how many numbers. So we need to pass that how many numbers, and we've capitalized it. Hate it when that happens. Okay, so we'll just connect the two. This how many numbers equals how many numbers. Just connect them so we're not getting any. So we've created our little thing, and now we need to do a for loop, I think. Int I equals 0, and if I is less than numbers dot length. Now you see that numbers dot length would be this how many numbers, because we're given the length there, so that should be all right. And increment I++. So we do that. So int numbers I equals gen int number I. Yes. And for this we want 100, don't we? We want, that's the only way to get two numbers. Yes. System this out. Let's just print out numbers I, and we'll find it. So we'll just create a main, just to call it quickly, random numgen ran equals random number gen. This is not the final thing, but I just need to know ran and gen random numgen, how many numbers, and we want 2 at this time. And we forgot, what did we forget? We forgot the new, otherwise, and we forgot this stupid semicolon. God, computers and semicolons, and what's wrong with this? Random numgen. Why is it giving us an error? I told you. 2. What's going on? Right. Let's hover. Create method and type random num. Add cast to ran. What does that do? Ooh, I'll have to learn about them. Now we'll try create method random numgen. Random numgen int how many numbers? Well, I've done that. Public void random numgen int how many numbers. Am I missing something? Am I stupid? Yes. So, oh, because we didn't save it. There's your first thing. Save, save, save. And you'll be okay. So, let's just run it. Oh, so we've got our first problem there. 1 is below. So we can't do that. So we have to change for that. Oh, 1 and 2. Oh, that's not good. So, we're going to have to change that up. So I think we have to do a couple of if statements. So I want if the number do we do it I don't know if we do it inside here or not. If number I is less than 10, that number I will be, I'm going to say a plus, and remember this equals to 10. Okay, and we're going to copy that. I think this is the way you do it, is greater than 100. We want the minus 10. Now we'll put that and we'll print it here. And we've got, oh, looking good, looking good. It's looking good. Okay, I want to find a problem. Okay, here's a problem. So we want the 38. Imagine if we're doing a these are sums, so imagine if we're doing a minus, a subtraction, sorry, old school there. When we just subtract 38 from 14, we're getting a negative number. So we want the biggest number to print out on top. So how do we do that? I think we have to come out this. Let's try another if statement. I like the if statements. If number, and we're gonna say the actual one, 0. Now remember, you have to put 0. This is the first index, I think. I hope it is. So I want that. If that is greater than numbers 1, and we have to put friggin' S because that's what matters. System out print number. If that is less, is that less than print? We want 1 printed out first. This is just to check if we can print it out. Zero. And I suppose else we just print out the other way. No? Does that sound reasonable to you? I hope it does, because I'm just winging it here, and I'm gonna comment that out. That's control space and your forward slash, control shift forward slash, sorry. So we've absolutely got that utterly and crapily wrong. Oh dear. Can we put another if statement here? Oh, what the hell happened there? If, what the, if, let's copy this. If number is oh, my silly keyboard. Hate my keyboard. Keeps going to right. That's less than. It's, hold on. If the first number is greater, let me see. If the first number is greater than, no, it's less than. And then this should be greater. And then we should be doing an else otherwise. Let's have a look. 20, 33, nothing, nothing. Is that a nothing? 45, 61. Oh, I didn't get anything there. So if, let's change that around. And change this one around, maybe. My reasoning for this is to do the reverse of this. 97, 59. No, sugar. So it's not working out. Well, we're getting the random numbers, which is good. So what I wanted to find out is if this number, the first number, is less than or smaller than the second number, then I want to print it in the next one. So if, and then this one, maybe we don't need the else if. 99, 46, 40, no. Oh dear. 19, no, see, it's not happening. So why is that not happening? We're getting the numbers alright, so this part's fine.